Consider the matrix M. All the elements are equal to 1. The exponential of M. Right. So we already studied if all the elements for n by n matrix, right, what we studied, e raised to a is equal to what we studied for an n by n matrix for any order matrix. Suppose I am considering an nth order matrix M, then e raised to m is equal to in plus that is m by that matrix divided by its order into e raised to n minus 1. But here it is given 3 by 3 identity matrix is I. So I can replace in with I, right? Then e raised to m is equal to this I plus order is 3 by 3 means n is equal to 3. Our matrix is again given as m. So m by n is 3, right, into again e raised to what is n, again order minus 1. This is the answer, right?